Napakalaki po ng ginhawa at saya ang nararamdaman ko ngayon. Mas mapapanatag at makakatulog na po ako ng mas maluwag. You know, with the grant of our demurrer to evidence, which is tantamount to acquittal, that means I am now completely free and vindicated. It's very liberating. At alam nyo naman ito, I respected the rule of law despite the pain and the injustice of it all. Salamat din po sa aking legal team for their hard work and their extraordinary commitment in defending me against these fabricated, spurious charges. Salamat din po kay Honorable Judge Hener Guito for his strong sense of justice and fairness.